We've had this on eBay for $200. Nobody wanted to buy it. This is a brand new sealed from 2003 Pokemon. This is mini lunch boxes with gum inside. These are the lunch boxes you can get. This is a full case. And I'm like, okay, you know what? No, people were watching it. No one's going to buy it. Let's rip it. That's right, guys. I'm like, let's rip it. Who cares? This, this will make all the other ones much more rare. And this is really rare, like a full case. And I was like, you know what? Nobody wants it? Fine. So here we go. This is it. This is the actual... You guys are seeing this. You probably aren't going to see many unboxings of these. Look at these. So these are the mini little lunch boxes. Each lunch box has gum inside. That's awesome. I'm going to be listing these on eBay then. We're going to keep one of each for our personal collection and be listing the rest. Look at these. They're so awesome. So I think they said there's 6 total. So this looks like to be 6. Or 6 different lunch boxes total. So cool, guys. So cool. So, let's go ahead and open one. Probably find one that's not going to be as valuable, though I'm not sure. I haven't looked it up, but not really. Don't really care too much value. Let's go ahead and rip this one. So this is what it says. That's it? Interesting. That's all you get? Hey, how about a taste test, guys? Can we do a taste test here? Alright. Oh, that smells rough. That smells a little rough. Tastes like a chemical. Ah, it wasn't gum any, like, there's no, yeah, it just was like powder. Oh, it's in my teeth. Oh, disgusting. Disgusting. I can't believe it's bubble gum, because it's like, you bite into it and it's like powder, almost like biting into a sweet tart or something without the flavor. Oh, so gross. But we had to do it for you guys. Time to list these mini tins on eBay. They're actually really cool though. Like these little mini lunch boxes, they're cool.